Irish just woke up, guys. Hindi pa nakapagkilamos. Ay, pinagsuot ko siyang ganyan ko. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Here. What's that? What's that? What's that?
I don't like take a photo.
Yeah, go. Happy birthday to
Please allow me to
you.
touch that.
Yeah, of course. Happy birthday.
Paris.
Do you like it?
Is the
Do
Paris?
you like my decorations?
Yeah.
Yes? Of course, it's for mommy and daddy and Celine.
Where did you get the decoration from?
From the shop. Do you like my decoration for your birthday?
No!
Boom! Okay. Have a look at this. A card.
I'll take it off.
Okay. Do you know how to read? Sit down here, like this, like a princess. Daddy will read the card. Here, sit here, because you're the birthday girl. There.
Okay.
Okay. Daddy will read it. You listen?
Can I have the card, Celine?
Yeah, you listening?
It says, to our dearest Paris, happy 5th birthday, our baby girl. Time flies so fast. It seemed like yesterday when I held you in my arms for the first time. Now that you have reached the age of 5, you've also made our lives 5 times happier, 5 times more blessed, and 5 times more noisier. Each passing. Come sit down, Papa. Come sit with Daddy. Come sit, Dada. Come sit with Dada. With each passing year, you only get smarter, more awesome. You fill this world with sunshine. No matter how old you become, you will always be Mama and Daddy's little princess. Mama and Daddy, Celine, love you very much. Kiss, hug, happy birthday, princess.
Yeah! Can we sing happy birthday quickly?
Yes.
Celine?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Paris.
Happy birthday to you.
Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hooray!
Hip hip! Hooray!
Happy birthday, princess.
Give Paris cuddles.
You can!
Give
Because Celine will give you cuddles.
Give cuddles.
You can open your presents now.
Cuddles.
Aww.
First.
Yeah, up to you. This is the last one. It's the big one. Oh, maybe start with the smallest one.
Then I do big ones.
Yeah. This one, this one, this one, this one, whatever. What do you think? That one? Okay.
Open it together.
Let's open it together.
You got a lot, and guess what?
This
You're gonna get lots of presents today, more. Wow.
one. Oh, what is this?
The
I'm
wrapper.
gonna wrap it properly. What is
Can I have a
it?
look?
Whoop. Whoop.
Wow.
Wow. What is it?
Jewelry.
Jewelry.
That's your present from me.
Look.
What?
Look, I'll show you.
Wow, Celine.
What does it say?
Happy birthday, Paris.
No. Look. Paris. That's your name. Oh. Put it on you.
Then I have 2 necklaces.
No, we have to take it off now.
Yeah, because you wearing
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this one's nicer. It's got your name on it.
Yeah, that one's a little bit. This one's better.
Whoop.
It's gonna hurt. sing it.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Is it beautiful?
It's given to you by Karakiba. Thank you, Karakiba, for sponsoring. There you go. Wow.
I like this.
Paris! Do you like the box?
Can you put the back?
Really?
Yeah. Let's put this one here.
Bye bye.
I can't put it on. I can't put it in.
So it's Paris.
Let's do this one. I think it's closed.
I think you've seen that one too, actually.
No, I did this. I can feel it.
Yeah, I mean, like you've seen it when it arrived. Okay, open.
Thank you, Celine.
This is the same one I got.
Oh,
This is
cute.
the same one we got.
Yeah, the one that I received the other day. Nakita niyo na to, guys, eh.
Did
Oh,
you
cute. You're gonna wear it today when we go to the city.
I'm gonna open
Okay,
it.
this one.
Then
Lainey?
we can do the flower and then big one.
Yeah.
Might be a book or a puzzle.
Really? We'll see if you're right. Wow.
Wow.
I can like bring this tomorrow at jungle time.
You can.
So I can draw with my friends. Oh, that's a cup.
Well, open it. See what's inside.
That's pencils. It's a coloring book.
Wow.
All pictures. See?
Smile. Say smile. Well, there's another word that starts with letter S. Smile. Then you can draw.
Lainey.
Well, Lainey.
So you can actually draw with me. I want to draw this one. That was cute.
Wow.
Cool.
Close it.
Did you like it? Good.
Let's do this one now.
Yay!
I don't know if this is a bicycle.
Bicycle? Can you guess?
No. I think this shoes.
Yeah. Why?
Yay.
Show me? Yeah? Does that fit you? I hope so.
Wow. I will put these over here.
Can I see, please?
So we can like set them up.
Set them up, okay.
Can I see them, please?
Okay, tingnan niyo, nalinya talaga guys.
Paris, Daddy didn't get to see the shoes.
Oh, show it to Daddy.
Oh.
Yeah. Do you like it?
Yes.
Nice. Okay, now you can start guessing what's inside the big box.
Is it a bike? If I hear
That's wrong.
And is it I don't know.
You don't know, just open it then. You find out.
I'll pick. I'll just pick.
Okay. Open, Lini. Open. What's wrong, Lee?
It might be a piano toy or something.
Yeah, we'll see.
I'll open the whole box now.
Okay. Oh my goodness. Look, Lini will help you. Go, Lin. Help Ate Paris thing. Ah, nakadress din si Inday, oh. Go, help. Help.
Good job.
I did have the cutter.
You're a cut. Oh my God. Paris! Is that your own little mirror and makeup stand and everything?
Wow, just like mommy's.
Paris, you can get yourself ready for school now and look at yourself in the mirror.
On my own.
Put your makeup on, brush your hair.
But why did you just pretend that? Pretend makeup.
You get real ones. So did you just break that?
No. That's one.
Hey Paris.
Yay, Paris! What do you say to mommy and daddy? Come here, give me a cuddle, babe.
I just have to have all of it.
Yeah, oh, okay. That needs setting up.
Yeah, and we'll take you to the city today and you can buy some Hatchimals and stuff like that as well. Okay?
Yay, and you can buy like real makeup as well in the city today.
Yeah. You can buy some stuff to put on your new mirror and table.
Like stickers.
Watch out for slimming foot.
Mirror.
Wow, that's a lot of pieces. Daddy, can you do it?
What's that? Yeah.
Tingnan niyo, nakabalo ka sa Linux, like surfing.
I took out this.
Oh.
What?
Daddy would definitely do something in the mirror.
Assembly instructions. I don't know if they put the Allen key that we need for this one.
Now look, I got a mirror I can put my...
Yeah, that's so cute. Now, don't lose any piece, honey, okay?
Yeah, because we might lose them and we are gonna make it.
Screw, we need screw.
I got my lipstick.
Just to pretend.
Okay, I'll put this somewhere.
Daddy Paris's necklace is from Cartiva, guys. Yan.
Mine.
To check their website,
Mine.
pinadala nila to for Ate Paris. Yay!
That scares me. That scares me, Mine.
There's more paper lang ay. Cardboard. Oh! What? Wow, nice brush.
Alex,
Oh, what happened?
it just went off.
That's okay. Happy birthday, Paris. You're 5 years old.
Yeah,
Yeah. How do you feel?
good.
Hi guys! Good afternoon! Here's our birthday girl. Ito yung kanyang pa-outfit.
And I got some snacks for my little caterpillar.
Hi! Say your Nini girl! Shh! Nini! So it's 3 o'clock ng hapon guys and lalabas kami. So we are going to the city. We'll do a little bit of shopping kasi hindi ko talaga na bilhan ni Daddy Mike si Paris ng kanyang bag. Yung pinili ko is yung parang gusto ko for Ate Paris. Kay Daddy Mike hindi pa niya lang. So dadalhin namin siya sa city ngayon. And then Ate Paris also wants to go to the game shop, yung mga game zone ba? Ganun. Anyways, ito yung pa-outfit ni Mami niyo today. Yeah. So I've got the skirt, my white shirt, my sneakers, and then this little bag. Super cute.
You look so cute.
Very liit. Mahilig kasi si Mami sa mga unpractical na mga bag. Pero meron tayong ganito guys. So, dito natin nilalagay yung nappy and everything. No? Come here. Show Tita your outfit like this next to Mama. Yay! Anyways, we're gonna go na. Sali nandun nakadali mo. Oh, it's so bright. Oh boy! Mommy! Okay, ate. Come in. Wow, you look so beautiful, ate. Aw, B, show Mama B. Okay, turn around. Wow. How old are you?
5.
Oh, gosh. 5 na mo. Bulongkoy. Come on.
Tomorrow I'm still gonna be 5.
Of course.
To them. And what is it? Snowman.
Snowman.
It's not
That's
snow
right.
and man. Like snow and man.
City na kami.
Snowman.
Snowman.
I look at those pictures up there.
That's cute. But you are cuter than them.
Animals are cute too.
Sana all.
Mine. Why don't I be quickly get
I want to see your outfit. Come. It's moving. Keep walking. Wow. Punta daw kami ng JD Sports first. Oh, smells so good ah. Food. Bibilhan natin sa Ate Paris ng... Yeah, oh nice. Some kind of damit na pang athlete.
I love you.
I love you. You love me. You are my birthday girl today. Okay, we're here now. JD. Show me. So give it to the lady. Thank you. What was that? So what do you want to do, Paris? Huh? May nakita siyang ano guys. Like beggar ba? Gusto niya bigyan daw ng pera.
No, quite.
It's okay. You give that. He'll be more than happy. Okay, you give it to him. No, you go. Say it's for you. See? You too. Gutom si mami niya guys. Bumili tayo ng bagel.
And guess what? It's my birthday today. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Paris.
Uy! Puro masakit. No, it's very hard, Marina. Can you try to open lang the other one?
Okay.
We have this. See? Bagel
Wait, let me have a try
with
to
butter and
Sorry, I had a bite.
daddy.
Sorry, but I had a bite.
Did you? Message daddy. Yeah, it's very hard. Yum.
Maybe you might have.
Feel. It says feel. Mmm. Do you want strawberry? Oh, yummy. Dito kami sa toy section. May pinadala kasing pera yung lola niya guys. Tsaka yung lola tsaka lolo tuhod, sa tuhod niya. Kaya gustong pabili sa laruan daw. Anak! Tilingling! Careful! Careful! Oh, oh, oh. What is that?
Mousetrap.
I need to play this.
It's a good game. Look.
Oh, I seen them. Oh my gosh,
Ah, that's cute.
a new backpack. Decorate your own backpack.
Wow! Paris, how lucky.
What's that?
That's Think Magic Frozen. Oh, that's puzzle. That's 300 pieces, Bob.
Yeah, that's why. It will take us a long time to do.
What is it you want, Lin? Ling Ling.
She can't do like 100 pieces anymore.
I look at this.
What's this, Lam? What's this?
I look, it's so cute.
Baby, give me the Bobby. Nini, what's this? Puppy! It's puppy! Kiss the Bobby. Kiss the Bobby. Ling Ling, kiss the Bobby. Yeah.
Wait. Hi.
Yeah.
You want?
Oh, it's just a thing. Playing like just the Adidas.
Now what's this?
Oh, yeah, that's nice. Hi, man. How are you?
Eh?
Yeah, it's nice like that.
Yeah, it's very. Hala, have a look, Lini lang. Agoy, agoy, agoy. Hama, you're too big. You're a giant. You're a giant. What is it? Well, have a look. Your car is also purple. You are Miss Purple today. You're wearing a purple dress, a purple bow. You get a purple car. Careful, please. Beep beep. Beep beep. Beep beep beep. You driving? So tiny. The steering wheel is so tiny. Beep beep beep. Oh, Celine, you make me laugh. Beep beep beep. Bye! Bye! Nakmayang beto ka na anak ah. Paris, have a look at Celine. Paris, look. Have a look at Celine. She's driving. She's got a little steering wheel. Beep beep. Bye. Ling Ling. Ayush! Bastar ba kayo ah? Ayan, nakapamili na si Maribikes. Oh. Kita namin mamaya. Punta na kami ngayon ng
Like a dinosaur.
game
Sling. Sling.
zone.
Look.
Cute ang mga bed. Uy! Mga bed sheets nila ba? Hmm? Nice!
Sling, sit behind me.
Celine is resting.
Away.
Yeah, take away.
I want to
Just gonna get some fresh juice.
I'm going to the game shop.
What would you like, Daddy?
Orange fish for me too. Orange fish for me.
Orange?
Yeah.
I cannot go.
What would you like lang? Ate! What?
It's nice for you.
Yeah. We're going to find the lift now. We're going upstairs para sa game ni Ate Paris.
I've been waiting patient.
Been waiting patiently.
Whereabouts?
Be.
That's there.
Mm-hmm. I'm holding one.
I want you to
Close
hold
na
it.
yung mga shops, guys.
Come on.
See. Saturday, close na ng 5. It's now 5:30.
Bye. Bye.
You want to put in the bin, Nak?
I want to put it in the bag. I want to put it in the bag. I want to put it in the bag, guys.
No, it's gonna tip, Nak.
Why?
Yeah. You might go to your clothes.
Which one?
3. Can you reach it? Good girl. So big. Ceiling, ceiling. Where's the dummying? Why? Where's the lady going? Woo! Wow. Let's get up.
Go first, you go first.
Thank you. Here we are.
I do want to have popcorn there again.
Yes, let's go.
The chicken burger.
We're at Betty's Burgers now, guys.
Inside it.
Sa city pa rin kami.
Chicken.
Katapos lang namin sa games.
Chicken and cheese.
So we're having something to eat
You want to try
now.
the burger? You want to? Wait,
That's not tomato sauce.
a little bit. You like tomato sauce? Okay.
I hope me. I hope.
Very nice colors, honey.
I hope me.
Oh, well.
Here.
Should I ask them to do it without tomato sauce? Would you like the burger with the
Garto
chicken
na
and
sa
cheese?
mami nyo, guys.
Like tomato sauce?
Alam niyo ba ang aking face pack, guys, is very,
listen,
tawag ito. Halatang halata na talaga yung milasma ko ba.
Because I wanna
Alam
make
niyo ba,
sure
hormones
that,
talaga ito siya kasi
would you like the-
minsan
would you
light
like the chicken
siya,
burger,
minsan
like the
dark
chicken
siya.
and
So
cheese
today,
and
medyo
tomato
dark siya, guys.
Chicken, cheese and-
Kasi lalo na ngayon, hindi na talaga ako nag-makeup kasi wala akong time makeup, guys. So, ano na lang, sunscreen, yun lang. Ayan, halatang halata.
I will. I should have
Anyways.
chicken what I want to.
Not a big deal, honey. How's your day lang?
Good.
Good? Did you enjoy the game?
Can I show my prizes?
Later, we will show when we get home because they're all tingnan mo. Daming nakabitay-bitay na plastic. How about you, Lynn?
I really want you to help me because it's too tiring, this.
Okay. Is it tiring?
Yeah. Mine? Drinks are not color gray.
No, maybe avocado or smoothie.
Oh.
Oh.
And we can color pop blue. It's my birthday today. I mean, it's me, Paris, today. And it's my birthday. I'm just eating hamburgers at the shop.
For all the kids.
And for all the kids, I'm going to show you that I am the best eater
In the world.
in the world. It's my birthday! Okay, I'm going to
Count of
show
three.
you.
1, 2, 3. Come on, big now. Whoa. Hey, Paris. I want to know, by the way,
I like that one.
Yeah, that's nice.
I like this one
You
too.
like it, Charlie?
Nice. Turn around.
You like it? You like it, Mommy? Do you like it or what?
Yeah.
Is it nice?
Turn around lang. Yeah, it's nice.
Is that... You like the shots?
Yeah. Model na.
I guess what I'm saying.
Turn around.
I guess what I'm saying. I
Wow.
guess what I'm saying.
Do you think that'll look good with like...
Turn around.
It'll look good with a white shirt, white shoes.